Welcome, my lovelies, to a magical holiday season. Christmas is the perfect time to add a little romance and sparkle to your celebration. Today, we'll explore how Eve's lingerie collection can transform your holiday moments into unforgettable, intimate memories. From playful surprises to luxury indulgences, let's unwrap the secret to make this Christmas your most romantic one yet. But before we dive into today's exciting journey, I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge Adam and Eve, the most trusted brand in pleasure for over 50 years. With a legacy of quality and dedication to customer satisfaction, they've delighted over 20 million customers. And a gentle reminder, this content is exclusively for viewers aged 18 and older. For those staying, don't miss out on our special holiday deal. Use coupon code LEARNSEX for 50% off any single item, free discreet shipping, and a mystery gift. Let's make this season unforgettable. Romance starts with the atmosphere. Think twinkling lights, soft music, and a warm, inviting space. Pair these elements with Eve's exclusive holiday robe for a look that exudes elegance and sensuality. This robe is a striking red hue, feather trim, and see-through mesh, making it the ultimate festive piece to capture your partner's attention. Tie it up with a satin bow for an irresistible surprise that is as much fun to unwrap as any other gift under the Christmas tree. For those looking to bring a touch of playful charm to their evening, the Santa's Helper 3-piece set is perfect. This red velvet is soft and sensual, irresistible and festive. Imagine surprising your partner with a playful twist. Whether you're delivering cookies or waiting under the mistletoe, it's about adding that extra spark of joy and excitement to your holiday traditions. Lingerie is not just about how it looks, it's about how it makes you feel. Eve's collection is designed to help empower you, enhance your confidence, and help you embrace your sensuality. Whether you choose the Santa's Helper set for a playful night or the exclusive holiday robe for an elegant touch, let it be a reflection of your unique beauty and spirit. As you prepare for this holiday season, remember that romance is found in the little things, like glances and laughter and moments that are shared. Eve's lingerie collection is here to help you add that extra layer of magic and make this Christmas unforgettable. Don't forget to explore these stunning pieces at Adam and Eve and take advantage of our special holiday deal. Use coupon code LEARNSEX for 50% off almost any single item, free discreet shipping, and a mystery gift. Thank you for joining me today. May your holidays be filled with love, joy, and unforgettable moments. Stay radiant, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays, my loved ones.